basement video.
No, we do video. You delete video? Because you got the flower crowns.
You got flower crowns?
No, I got one.
Can I have one?
This is my flower crown.
I'm bored.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, what the hell?
Hey, I got to look on my pillow for you. I'm too cute for these people. Hey, yeah. Even though I'm such a nice person. It's so thinking. My phone's gonna die. I need your charger. Where's the charger at? Girl, where's the charger at? I need a charger.
She thinks her butt is a fish. I attach it. That's what I said. The 25K 8. Ooh. My stuff is lagging. Lovely Cupid girl's my sister. Nice to meet you then. Male deers grow new antlers each year. Oh my gosh, is Ashfire on my King Prince 71 account? Oh my gosh, she is the scammer. I say scammer. Okay, where's King Prince? Okay, this is Ashfire 255. You freaking scammer. That's Ashfire 255. She's the scammer. What the heck? Wait. No, you're over with, Ashfire. Never mind. I'm not gonna do nothing. Get no chance. If you scam, and if I catch you scamming, Ashfire, you're gonna go down to the floor. Oh no, my phone's about to die out. Turn the phone boost. Why you talk too much?
Marcus! Gee, OMG, she likes him. OMG, this line price.
Oh my god, do you guys want to see this crap?
How much you choose me? Choose me. Any of you. I roar like a dying. I roar like a dinosaur. I'm too cool. Over here. Roar! Any of you. Yeah. Oh, don't say. I roar so loud. I could roar.
The charger on his phone got stuck again.
Louder than And I am so strong.
And again, I put on.
I am so strong. Like I don't even care. I don't care. I don't care if I'm queen. Like I don't care at all. So.
Ordering one. Look at me now. All of my classes like damn. My teachers like damn. I remember.
Who are you talking to?
Now it's the ball.
Who?
Me. That's you.
Who are you talking to?
Me? Me? Are you talking to me? My name is Mr. Pig for now on.
Me?
Yeah.
I swear. Seriously.
I spy with my little eye. Hello
Okay,
there.
I don't care. Stop, kid. XD. He planned it so we'll play.
Finally, I got the freaking archer to
Much louder than everybody. I'm too cool.
First of all, what the hell happened?
He missed the line.
Okay, now we go. Now here. Okay, Merry Christmas for everybody who believe in God.
Yeah, who believe in God. Ain't nobody.
Do you guys know what's the true meaning of Christmas? No. Well, the true meaning of Christmas is not about Christmas carols and singing and sitting by the fireplace. It's about Jesus born, where he was born in Christ.
Grouse, cause it's a honey. Evil. So evil. So evil. So evil.
Why am I muddy?
I'm gonna eat you.
Why am I so muddy? And why am I in a pond? Getting muddy? I'm so muddy.
I'm gonna take down your lines. I'm gonna take down your lines.
Hey sister, lovely Cupid girl.
Looks for praise.
You have a spike collar! Why you try to scam me?
Grouse. Evil cameras. I hate you guys.
Can I get a spike collar?
Fight one hyena.
Please.
Oh, no. I picked the wrong bait. Oh, no. Grabs him. Bites his head.
Are you thinking inside your nose to eat some boogers?
Who?
You.
No, I'm not. Bites his head. If you can't speak it, you're morphine. Bites his head. Is not a fully grown lion. Throws her. I'm throwing her. You're too slow.
Okay.
Surrender.
First of all, what is going on here? Okay, why did the hell did I put this in?
I'm the only one. Please. I'm the only one, please.
Talk to me!
I'm the only one, please. Starts laughing. Because it's a Harley. Starts laughing. Because it's a hyena. Starts laughing because it's a hyena. Such a hyena right now. It's scared. Help! I've been called by. Chases us out. Help! Oh! I just want.
Tia, can I have one of your spike collars?
I don't have those spike collars.
Yes, you do. You have a black and white one.
If you want to be a hyena, I need hyena.
Jillian!
No, I don't have.
Can I have one of your spike collars?
Grabs.
Yeah?
Grabs. Nick. No.
Why?
What?
You have like 3 spike collars, please.
You sound like a party.
Me?
Yeah.
Please?
No. Grabs necklace.
Can I have your ugly spike collar?
Throws. Starts to claw face.
Please, Jillian. I'll give you rares and sapphire stuff.
To claw face.
Yeah? Yeah?
I don't like rare.
Sapphire?
I don't like that.
Why? Ooh. Nutcracker boots?
Maybe.
Don't have nutcracker boots. I can't see them.
Like, making. But.
Where's the sapphire stuff? Did I buy enough at the sapphire shop?
Doodle. I got the pup.
I have so many stuff.
Pizza.
Why do I have so many stuff?
Eat it. I'm eating it.
Oh, yep.
Skills her. Skills her. I'm skilling you, home, Marcus. Skills her. I hate you. Surrender. Run. Run.
Why did you cancel my trade?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Run.
Yeah.
I need friends.
Why?
Marcus, hurry up. Come here and look like me. Turn into a hyena.
Why?
Stop, Marcus.
Why? Why?
Run! Oh no! Marcus, hurry up and come here and look like a
No.
hyena.
No.
And I'm not giving you spike color.
You're not going to get me the spike collar anyway.
If you don't want to come here, you're not going to be a hyena.
First, create me the spike collar.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If you don't come here.
You already know I am.
Okay, you look like a hyena. Wolf.
First, trade me.
Hey! I stopped her.
Are you going to trade me it?
Yeah, why you keep moving so much?
Now.
Stop moving! I'm gonna not give you spike collar. Poor jammer. She's a poor jammer. I'm gonna take your top hat for it because it's rare and because I like rares. You want... I'm gonna give you a light spike collar. I don't like my spike collar.
Just give me a freaking spike collar.
Try it again. No miss. Run! Marcus, look like a... Run! Marcus, look like a hyena now. Look like me, but don't have no eyelashes, okay?
Okay. Where are you, bro?
I'm over here, Marcus.
How the hell you just transferred? The guy on YouTube like teleport, like it was right there. Now you're gone.
You are my queen.
Okay.
Stop.
And you look like a hyena, right?
Yeah, you gotta look like me, okay? Come over here. Come over here. I need you to look like a beautiful thing. I like you, queen. Oh! Disgusting.
I have all the animals now. Where the heck?
Oh! Can I just join? Can I join? Can I join? Please, someone. I have no high
Where is my wolf?
friends. I have no high friends, please. Please.
My wolf is gone. Oh, here it is.
Suddenly, what?